In this video, we have 4 tools to copy or extract a text from photo or PDF files. But this is one of the easiest and available tools in Windows. The first one with a simple one, which is Microsoft Word. You can simply just drag any PDF file to the blank document and the Word will convert it to you to text. And this way you can just edit whatever you want on that text. Then you can save it as PDF or a Word. The problem with this application, you cannot convert the images to the text. You have to convert the image to PDF and PDF again to the Word document. Second tool is Google Drive and Google Documents. Of course, you need a Gmail account for that. You need to upload a document or the image you want or the photo you wanted to be extract your text. Once you upload it there, then you can open the Google document. From there, you can see it's converted to you as a text below that image. From there, you can copy and paste it anywhere you want. The third tool or the application is OneNote. Simply, you can just add any photo on this application. Then you can just copy text from image and you can paste it anywhere you want, then use it to amend or extract it to any other application you require. Final tool in this video is called ShareX. It has many other tools, benefits, and all that free tools, amazing tools in this application. One of them is, of course, it's available in Microsoft Store. You can download it for free. One of them is the OCR, which is you can extract by selecting the area of the image. Then once you select that area, it automatically added on that application and extract the text on that application. And you can, of course, align for you the text based in the way you want it. This is one of the tools that I'm using. And let me know if you have any other application or tools you currently use, which have more features. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Peace.